Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. And if you're so inclined and you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button below. It helps you be notified when I release new videos, and it also helps my videos be seen by other people. So what we're going to try to do today, before getting accosted by the feline, which could happen at any moment, is do this unboxing, which is a knife that I'm really curious if it's going to live up to the hype or not. And yes, Tippy has joined the... Hold on one second, guys. Hey, Tip. Thank you. All right, so this is a knife that I'm really interested to see if it's going to live up to the hype. I think it will. I've been stoked about it, and it came to me courtesy of Chaz Likes Sharp Objects over on Instagram. He'd actually picked up 2 of these, and he had checked out some of my content on Instagram and felt like I might really like this knife. So I looked at it, I bought it, and it just showed up today, so I wanted to unbox it. And we'll use the Gripper V2 to do this unboxing. Let's see what's the easiest way to get into this without showing off addresses. Let's just go at it. Not the most glamorous unboxing, but if I don't jam it in my hand, it's a win. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a box taped in a box. I like it. Nice job, Chaz. Look at that. Nicely done. Very well done. I don't know if I'll be able to get into it. You guys know me as being very patient, but this is the kind of thing that, as appreciated as it is, it drives me nuts. This knife's sharp. Ah, I see it. Trying to cut into it. Sweet. All right, guys. Again, this is a knife that I have seen around. I wasn't a fan of the carbon fiber when I first saw it. This particular rendition that does not have the shred carbon fiber looked very, very appealing to me, we'll just say. And this is the Quiet Carry 9. Titanium carbon fiber, has a Quiet Carry maker's mark there, CPM 20V. Nice titanium pocket clip. Oh, I've heard a lot about that. Ooh. Guys, that is good. That is the Quiet Carry 9. It really pops open. Get my little clothy here. The detent on it is just dialed. Nice clip point blade. Feels really good in the hand. The reverse flick, spot on. Thumb flick, spot on. No blade play, no rock. I love the black carbon fiber. No offense to the flame carbon fiber, shred carbon fiber guys. Yeah, Chaz, you were right. This knife is sweet. Just feels awesome, guys. I will do a full review on this knife, and I'm stoked to be adding it into the collection. I've got the Quiet Carry Waypoint in Van X and G10. It's on washers. This guy's is on a totally different level from the Quiet Carry Waypoint, from my experience. I mean, this thing is just absolutely smooth. Again, it fires out. See if I've got some paper anywhere close. See if it's sharp. I've run out of my coupon book, so I'll have to grab some Poo Poo Digest. Oh yeah. Right, the little sharpening tool there, but it's very sharp. Very thin behind the edge. Nice, almost full flat grind. Very minimal branding with Quiet Carry there on the show side. CPM 20CV on the clip side. Clip looks like it's done very well. Got the Quiet Carry 4 dots or 5 dots. Yeah, 4 dots. They're on the back. Sorry for my dirty hands, guys. I've been sharpening, so I've got smuts on my hands. It just has a nice belt satin. Really nice texturing and the titanium, both in the liner. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Both in the lock bar is different. We got on the back here. Yeah, guys, that's the Quiet Carry 9. I am stoked. Thanks you, Chaz Like Sharp Objects, for throwing this my direction and giving me an opportunity to grab it. I appreciate it. And guys, I'm going to ask and just appreciate you looking out for the guy or gal to your left, looking out for the guy or gal to your right. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I will come to you guys with a full review on this knife after I've carried it for a couple of weeks. But I do appreciate all of you watching the content. I want y'all to look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate over hate as I straighten up my camera, which I should have done earlier. I appreciate you all. Till we meet again, peace.